Welcome, you're watching NewsX with me, Devika Devan. Our top focus continues to be the murder of Radhika Yadav, a rising tennis star that has left the nation reeling. As reactions now pour in from various athletes, citizens and others, let us examine all the information available about this heinous case and the progress in the probe, starting with some breaking news coming in. There's a fresh twist in the Radhika Yadav murder probe, which has been revealed in the post-mortem report. We are being told that not 3 but 5 bullets were fired by Deepak Yadav, 3 of which hit Radhika Yadav in the back and 1 more hit her in the shoulder, and 1 that she was able to dodge. My colleague Sahil with us on the broadcast. Sahil, take our viewers through the details, please.
देखिए, जो पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट में अभी फाइनल हुआ है वो ये हुआ है कि राधिका के पिता ने, जो दीपक यादव राधिका के पिता है, उन्होंने 5 राउंड फायर किए थे, जिसमें 3 राउंड जो है राधिका के बैक में लगे हैं, जो कमर का इलाका है उसमें लगे, और साथ ही साथ जो 1 राउंड है वो राधिका के कंधे में जाकर लगा है। अभी पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट से यही पता चला है। हालांकि पुलिस अभी इस मामले की आगे तफ्तीश कर रही है। आगे 1 दिन का जो रिमांड जो राधिका के पिता के द्वारा मांगा गया है, वो राधिका के पिता का जो मांगा गया है पुलिस के द्वारा, जो 1 दिन का रिमांड है, उसमें अब आगे पता चलेगा कि क्या पूरा मामला था, क्या ये जो मर्डर हुआ है इसकी कोई और जो व्यक्ति है वो है जिसको पुलिस सुलझाने में कोशिश करेगी। साथ ही साथ अभी जो अंतिम संस्कार की जो प्रक्रिया है वो लगभग पूरी हो चुकी है। राधिका को उसके जो घर से लेके जा चुके हैं सब से लेकर, और अंतिम संस्कार अब पूरा हो चुका है।
Okay, Sahil, thank you so much for joining us. We will, of course, continue to return to you for more updates and details, but I also have with me on the broadcast Sunita Godhra, Asian Marathon champion, Renu Bhatia, chairperson of the Haryana State Women's Commission, and Gaurav Seth, a tennis commentator with us. Let me begin with Ms. Godhra. Ms. Godhra, ma'am, what do you make of what's happened in Gurugram?
See, what stories are saying that it is just because the father was saying that you close the academy, and then he got angry and then he killed. I think the story behind this murder is something else. This small reason will not provoke the father to murder her daughter, his daughter. So I think there is something behind it, and investigation is going on, and things will come out slowly. The story will reveal. Only thing is, nowadays the parents, the girl was 25 years old. She was self-dependent. She was earning. She was international medal winner, and highly educated from very good school. So when you are giving such kind of freedom to your daughter, and once what reels are showing, Insta reels are showing, if she's having either she's making the videos only or she's having an affair, those things also may be the reason. And I can't say anything with guarantee, but there is some other story also behind this murder. But murder is a murder, and father has done the crime, and he should be punished. The deterrent punishment should be given. Otherwise, in Haryana, the honor killings are going on. If this father, who is a murderer now of his daughter, if he gets less punishment, or say light punishment, whatever reason, then the things will go worse in future. So the deterrent punishment is the only answer. Now what has happened is very bad, and whatever has happened, now the thing is, in front of the judge, whatever this father will say, कि मुझे गुस्सा आ गया, and whatever like जिन्ना argument he will give, but he should be punished. Strict punishment has to be given to this person, so that the lesson to other family members, or say other fathers, so-called such kind of father with such mindset, they will get a lesson and things will change. Because the mindset of family members has to change once you give all the freedom to your daughters, and when the daughters are doing whatever they want to do, and then you object and get angry and whatever. This is not done thing,